You're watching a tutorial video for the Google Maps scraper. You can find it under Scrapers, Google Maps. I'm going to click on the new Google Maps scraper button to get started. Now you have two options when it comes to adding queries. The first is just to type it in. Option number 2 is to use this map interface at the bottom here. So if I scroll out, go to Osaka in Japan, then update this by clicking on search this area. There you go, McDonald's in Osaka. And then I would click on add this map query. So what you see on this map here belongs to this URL query which has been added. Scrolling down, we have the name of the task, the max number of results per search. So I'm going to make that 2. And here is the save location of the file that's generated from the scraping task. Now the Google Maps scraper creates a CSV file. You can save, but I'm going to click run, and this is going to kickstart the Google Maps scraping process. Fast forward the time. So here is the actual task log. Once SEO Content Machine has finished finding locations, it writes it to the CSV file and it's added 10 kilobytes or 2 rows. If I went up to the second search it did, it's added to the same file 7 kilobytes worth of data and once again 2 more rows. I'm going to click on this green CSV folder and it's going to open me to the location of the CSV file on my computer. I'm going to open it up in a CSV viewer. So here are my 4 results, and these are the kinds of information that was able to be gleaned from Google Maps. If you have any questions about how this scraping tool works, feel free to leave a question in the comment section area of this video, or you can always go to our homepage seocontentmachine.com and contact me via live chat or the contact us page.